Welcome to Royal Observatory in Greenwich. It houses planetarium in general, prime meridian of the world in particular. A meridian is a line of reference running from the North Pole to the South Pole. These lines of reference are called the meridians of longitude, and the distances between them are measured in degrees of longitude. All meridians are of equal length, thus it was difficult to number the meridian. Hence, all countries decided that the count should begin from the meridian which passed through Greenwich, where the British Royal Observatory is located. This meridian is called the prime meridian. Its value is 0 degrees longitude, and from it we count 180 degree eastwards as well as 180 degree westward. The prime meridian divides the earth into two equal halves, the eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. Therefore, the longitude of a place is followed by the letter E for the east and W for the west. Do you know that 180 degrees east and 180 degrees west meridians are on the same line? Local time can be reckoned by the shadow cast by the sun, which is the shortest at noon and longest at sunrise and sunset. When the prime meridian of Greenwich has the sun at the highest point in the sky, all the places along this meridian will have midday or noon. As the earth rotates from west to east, those places east of Greenwich will be ahead of Greenwich time, and those to the west will be behind it. The earth rotates 360 degrees in about 24 hours, which means it rotates 15 degrees in an hour, so it will take 4 minutes time to rotate 1 degree. Similarly, at 180 degrees it will be midnight when it is 12 noon at Greenwich. In India, there will be a difference of over 1 hour 56 minutes. That is almost 2 hours in the local times of extreme western point and the eastern point. Therefore, India adopted the local time of central meridian as the standard time for the country. That is, the longitude of 82 degrees 30 minutes east is treated as the standard meridian. It is known as the Indian Standard Time. India, located east of Greenwich at 82 degrees 30 minutes east longitude, is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of Greenwich Mean Time. Some countries have a great longitudinal extent, and so they have adopted more than one standard time. For example, in Russia there are 11 standard times. To locate the position of a place precisely, we need parallels of latitude as well as meridian. The equator is an imaginary line running on the globe divides it into two equal parts. The northern half of it is known as northern hemisphere and the southern half is known as the southern hemisphere. All parallel circles from the equator up to the poles are called parallels of latitudes. Latitudes are measured in degrees. The equator represents the 0 degree latitude. These buildings are part of central London. Canary Wharf. This is part of London's business district. In the year 1884, the prime meridian was defined by Transit Circle Telescope at the Royal Observatory, which was built by Sir George Bedell Airy. This is the statue of James Wolfe, the conqueror of Canada for the British. Please do subscribe this channel. If you like this video, please share it.